Hi guys! Welcome sa ating channel. Isa ka ba sa mga tao na pag tumingin na sa salamin ay naka-rounded shoulders ka na? At yung head mo ay naka-forward na rin? So, bibigyan kita ngayon ng tips how to release your muscles on your own. So, ang tissue natin ngayon is our chest muscle or in science we call it pectoralis major. Okay. So in our pectoralis major or chest muscle natin guys, mag-focus tayo dito ngayon sa attachment ng muscle natin sa clavicle and then sa ating sternum. Okay? So, first one na i-release natin is yung attachment natin dito sa clavicle. Ang gagawin natin is find yung clavicle, yung buto dito. Okay? Then, just go down an inch. So, may feel nyo, pag press nyo, may feel kayo na tightness dito. Alright? So, once na na-feel nyo yung tightness dyan, what we're gonna do is put a pressure on it na hindi naman ganun kasakit, tolerable, and then, next step is actively stretch natin. So, tingin sa taas, then side. Balik, tingin sa taas, then side. Okay? While maintaining the pressure. So, gawin natin to for 5 to 10 times. Then, hanap ulit tayo ng point na along the clavicle area na may pain pag pinipress natin. Since yan ang attachment natin ng ating chest. So, hanap ulit. Look up, side, balik. Look up, side. Alright. So, pag nagawa na natin yon, nakahanap tayo ng areas 5 times, nakahanap tayo dito, do it sa other part ng ating chest muscle. Okay? So sana, nag-enjoy kayo sa ating quick release natin. Hi guys! So next na gagawin natin is ang pec stretch. So, hanap ka ng wall and then push forward till ma-feel nyo yung stretch sa ating chest area, sa ating pectoralis major. So do it for 20 to 30 seconds and pag okay na, hanap ka ulit ng mas lower part, then release. Same thing. Then, last one. Okay. Guys, sana nagustuhan nyo yung content natin at umayos na yung posture nyo. So, don't forget guys to follow and share yung content natin para marami pa tayong matulungan. So, comment down below kung ano pa yung gusto nyong i-release natin and enjoy. So, God bless guys. Thank you.